Hello, my name is Megan, and I will be teaching you about directional and repetitive features. When using directional features, we start with T, meaning here, my current location, and Y, meaning there, a different location. For example, if I wanted to say I climbed to here, my current location, I would say Gagirata. But if I wanted to say I climbed to there, to a different location, I would say Yakgirata. The same can be used for descending. For example, Nagatsnatte, I descended here. Yagatsnatte, I descended there. When adding the repetitive feature to directional T, another T is added, and when using directional Y, an S is added. For example, Dundagirata, I climbed back up here. Yunzagirata, I climbed back up there. Dundagatsnatte, I descended back down here. Yunzagatsnatte, I descended back down there. See if you can spot the directional and repetitive features in this video. Onagiwahi!
Yangeretto.
Yaharata. Daharata.
Dageratto.
Yongatsnatte.
Ja utsnatte.
Dagatsnatte. Dayutsnatte. Yanskerata. Yunzayirata.
Dundageratto.
Dundagerata.
Janskatsnatte.
Yunzahatsnatte.
Dundagatsnatte.
Dundahatsnatte.
Janskarlatto.
Yunzaharata.
Dundageratto.
Dundaharata. Yanskatsnatte.
Yunzayusnatte.
Dundayutsnatte. Dundagatsnatte. Dantatsnattega.
Ja era ta. Dagerata.
Jos kasnatte. Ei ole niin. Ei.